Gonna catch some fish. Good fish, dude. You can fling them. Just flip them. Flip them. Good keeper trout. I got one. That was instant. Now flip them. Just watch out, it's coming your way. Alright, you can use this setup. It don't get easier than that. Too bad the conditions aren't more enjoyable. Right. Oh, you already put yours in there.
He was like 7 feet.
There we go. Yeah, I got one too. Oh, mine was huge too. Yours isn't a keeper, is it? Might be. These look like good sized trout. Too bad it wasn't so freaking windy, it'd actually be fun. Not a keeper. Not a keeper though. Wow, that thing is tiny.
That's not fair.
We gotta get that on video. That's the biggest trout I've ever seen.
Biggest trout I've ever caught.
He swallowed it. He was on there. He must not have felt them eat it. What's up with all these dinks? We need to go back to where we first started. There was a bigger trout back there. You're catching like the world record smallest trout. What did you hook? Is it another one of them big fluffers? It'd be nice if it was a gator trout. Another one of them little guys. I can grab them. That's a big trout. Oh, that's a trout. Is that a trout? That's a keeper trout. Nice one. Does it hit 15? Look at that. There it is. Nice trout.
Sure is.
Nice. You got the hang of it now. There's a baby snook. Yeah, we don't even need the net for that. I was trying to get the camera set up. I didn't want to miss it on video. Alright, we'll go get a bigger one. Oh, now we know they're in there, so go get a mud minnow and fling it right up. That's where you want a mud minnow. Dude, there's 20 snook right here. Look at them all. Do you see them swimming by the boat? Look at them all. They're right there. Those are all snook.
They're all off the, they're all in the grass line right there.
Yep. Alright, now start making sure he doesn't get in that tree. Alright, he's out far enough. You don't have to put any tension on him. As long as he's in open water, it's good. That's a keeper fish, man. We're gonna have snook for dinner if we get him in the boat.
Really fast.
I love snook. We just got to be careful he doesn't cut that leader. That leader is not heavy. Just keep him keep him in one direction. Just don't do any changing of direction. If he's going right, keep him coming right to us. There we go. That's a perfect slot fish. Alright, start lifting her up. Bring her this way. Oh man. Nah, it's gonna be right there. She's gonna be right there.
Works.
I don't need
it.
That's good. Looks like a jack or a shark. Are they really just sharks?
Yeah,
Oh, it's a bonnet, yep. He doesn't even know he's hooked. Big redfish. Get him out. Oh, it's a snook? He's like, oh, it's just a snook. Oh.
Shoot.
On a shrimp, huh?
As soon as it hit the water, he ran over there.
For all that for the 24-incher. They still put up a nice fight. Is that third snook?
Yes.
Yeah, he's bigger than the first one we took, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
36.
He's 23. Quick picture and toss him back. That's a good picture. He looks bigger than he is. Those are fun fish. I mean, you guys are big girls right there in the back? Right there in the back.
Yeah.
There's two big ones. Fling it in there. Those are both snook. Oh, right here. Look at them all. Yep, they didn't like that. And they gone. See them all?
Yeah.
There's a whole family of snook under that tree. The day saver every day. Those are fun fish. Perfect size. Nice fish. Black drum. There he is.
There he is. Oh, this is a good one.
Nice.
This is a 25-incher. It's drum.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Still in the cooler now. Oh wow, it is a fish. I thought you snagged the ground.
On my own today.
You can switch the handle on that one if you want. And get back in the action. Another nice drum. Well, that's what I wanted. I wanted to come in and get 3 drum. That already is better than what we were doing out there. They fight just as good, if not better, than redfish. And they taste better than redfish. Beautiful fish. Nice drum. They're biting now. Another beautiful fish. Where's that fish?
Here, it's
There he is. Beautiful black drum. That's a good fish though.
That is.
Yeah, I'll come net him. That's a beautiful fish.